Hey bougie babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess and I'm back with yet another video. So in today's video we'll be doing a winter get ready with me. I'll be doing my hair, makeup, and I'll take you along the journey. So the time is currently 6:51 a.m. I did pull an all-nighter. Let's not talk about it, but my procrastination is so bad. So it's 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. and I was just about to go to sleep, but I checked the weather app to see when the sun will be out, and it's literally gonna be cloudy after 10 a.m. but when I checked a few days ago, it was like gonna be sunny. The sun was gonna be busting around 5 p.m. so I'm like, how'd it change? But since the sun is gonna be gone after 10 a.m. I have to take my pictures at 10 a.m. or be out of the house by 9 and take my pictures at 10 before the clouds come and ruin the day. That's why we're here. So we are about to shower, do my skincare, and we'll get on with the video. So see you guys when I'm out of the shower. After I finished my skincare, I went and did my bald cap method for my wig. So I'm not bald, y'all. Let's get ready to do this face. tell me how I did. I look so good. I never ate this much. Like, I ate so much that I'm full. Are you full? Because I'm full. I'm going to lay a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to do my hair. So let's move on. So we are now about to install this wig. This wig is from Westkiss and it is so thick. So let's get to it.
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
BeatStars.com. 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 BeatStars.com.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it up. Fall, while my niggas throw it up. If it's a month to good sense, I might just throw it up. I want that dope for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby.
Let's take it to the sunlight. Why not? Why not? Okay. Baby, what? Y'all want to talk about it? Because let's talk about it. Lace wear. Nowhere.
And I show is rockin' hoodies and it's damn hot as weather. That nigga just like me. I ain't know how to accept it. Y'all niggas don't like me. Your shit light as a feather. I don't wanna work with you, don't get that cool. Singing my heart on is my right on is.
Alright, babes. We got our hair done, our makeup done. We're dressed. Now it's time to get on the road. Y'all, so don't mind the lipstick. I'll fix it later. But I live in Houston, okay? And it's literally, what? How many degrees is it? It's literally 82, babe. 82. Don't know if y'all can see that, but it's 82. And I got this big black puffer jacket on. And it's like, I'm literally doing this for pictures. Like, this is how it be. So since it's like a winter get ready with me, I'm taking it now while the sun is out. I just want to let y'all know that it's very hot, but I look so cute. Ah! Okay, let's go. So let's set up, and yeah, I'm low-key thinking I want this side as my background. You can't see, but that building is like a little blue and it looks clean. I'll show y'all pictures when I'm done. I've already taken my pictures, but I'm gonna like do a little, you know, 1-2 to show you how I take my pictures. I use the app called Lens Buddy. Let me show you. So this is how it looks, and then you can prep, set how many times you want the pictures to be taken and how many pictures, and then once you press this, it just starts clicking. So now what I'm gonna do, take some more pictures, because why not? It's already set up and everything, and I'm just gonna get to posing. My phone gonna get to clicking.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing. Made it through property on that minority, you in the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, blah, blah, away. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't win.
I'm gonna take some selfies, like some videos and stuff, before all the curls fall. And I'll show you what I came up with. I can't wait to see it.
Know that you dealt with some lames when you was young and in school. He had to pop your chair, but I got a new G-Wag. She wanna hit highlight room and show it off. Got a new body, girl, show it. Hold up that she got a six-pack. Fuck your main page, what's your Finsta? I wanna know the real you. You started dancing to pay your tuition, girl. I wanna know what you think.
So guys, I just finished taking all my pictures and videos. I'm sorry if I did not get to show you like a full behind the scene, but your girl was at work, so sorry. I just want to say thank you so far for the people that's been subscribing or viewing my channel or watching my videos. Thank you, it means a lot. You know, I'm starting out as a new YouTuber, a micro influencer type thing, so I'm really excited where it'll take me, and I'm just having fun, really. So just thank you, y'all. Thank you and thank God. But yeah, I just wanted to drop something before I go on my trip. The prep, the vlog, part 1, part 2, everything's coming, so just wait. Again, thank you guys. All information will be in the description box below, so just check out my page and everything. So if you want to become a bougie babe, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my platforms. Love you guys. Bye.
Yeah, all the motherfuckers get me. Yeah.